Welcome back to WordPress 101. One of the best features in WordPress is the addition of block patterns, which are collections of predefined blocks that you can insert into posts and pages, and then customize with your own content. To view the block patterns that are available on your site, open the block library, then select the Patterns tab. Typically, block patterns are defined by your current theme, or possibly by a third-party plugin. In this theme, there are block patterns for buttons, columns of text with and without images, a gallery with side-by-side images, header images and blocks, and text with a heading, or even a pre-styled quote. To add a block pattern to your page, just select the pattern you want to insert, and it will be added to the document wherever your cursor is positioned. Once you've inserted a block pattern, select any block within the pattern to edit and customize the contents of that block, just as you would with any other block. You can also add multiple block patterns to create beautiful page layouts with just a few clicks, which saves a tremendous amount of time compared to building page layouts one block at a time. Plus, it's a great way to learn how different blocks can be combined to create interesting layouts. Once you've added a block pattern to your page, you can easily move the entire group into a different position by using the arrow keys in the formatting toolbar. And of course, you can change the alignment or view the block settings for the entire group, copy, move, ungroup, or even remove the entire block pattern at once. Now again, the block patterns that are available to you are determined by your current theme or some third-party plugins. So, unless you're using the 2020 theme, it's likely you'll have a different selection of block patterns to choose from. It's also worth noting that once you add a block pattern to your page, there's no link to the original pattern in the block library. So any changes or updates to the original block pattern will not automatically be applied to any pages or posts you've already created. But as you can see, block patterns make it really easy to create beautiful page layouts with just a few clicks.